If PowerPoint is giving you error code 36, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you 3 simple fixes you can try right now to get your presentation opening normally again. This is especially useful if the file won't launch, keeps crashing, or opens with strange issues that stop you from working. We'll start with the safest method first, then move on to disabling add-ins, and finally, we'll try a file location fix that often solves stubborn PowerPoint errors. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes. Alright, let's jump in. First, let's try opening PowerPoint in safe mode. This is a great troubleshooting step because it launches PowerPoint without extra settings or extensions that could be causing the error. On your keyboard, press Windows and R at the same time to open the Run box. In the text field, type PowerPoint/safe, then press Enter. PowerPoint should open in safe mode. Once it opens, try opening the file that was causing the problem. If the presentation works in safe mode, that usually means something like an add-in or setting is interfering with normal startup. If the issue still continues, the next thing to do is disable PowerPoint add-ins. Add-ins can be helpful, but sometimes they become corrupted or conflict with PowerPoint and trigger errors like this one. To do that, click File, then go to Options. In the Options window, choose Add-ins from the left side. At the bottom, look for the Manage drop-down menu. Select COM add-ins and then click Go. A list of installed add-ins will appear. Now uncheck all of them for testing purposes. After that, click OK, close PowerPoint completely, and restart it again. Once PowerPoint opens, try your file one more time. If the file opens normally now, one of those add-ins was likely the problem. If you still see the error, the third fix is to move the file to a different folder and rename it with a simple file name. Sometimes PowerPoint errors happen because of file path issues, special characters, or a corrupted folder location. Find your PowerPoint file and move it to a folder that's easy to access, like your desktop or documents folder. Then rename the file to something simple, like ppt1.pptx. Avoid using special characters, long names, or unusual symbols. After that, open the file again from the new location. This simple change can sometimes clear up the problem immediately because it removes any file path complications. If none of these methods work the first time, try them again in order, because sometimes the issue is caused by more than one small conflict at once. Safe mode helps isolate the problem, disabling add-ins removes common software conflicts, and moving the file fixes location-based errors. Together, these steps solve a lot of PowerPoint opening problems without needing advanced troubleshooting. I hope this helped you fix PowerPoint error code 36 quickly and get back to your presentation without the frustration. If it did, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy tech tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.